Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own 3D character. I'm going to show you how to design your own three-dimensional character, and I'm going to do a tutorial of the process from beginning to end. I will cover each detail so that you too may create your own three-dimensional character, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Step number 1. You're going to want to go to your internet bar, and you're going to want to type in free 3D sculpt online, and you're going to click the first one that pops up. You're going to want to go to that one, and here we go. Now this is going to be the base of our three-dimensional character. This will be his body, I think. So, bodies aren't usually completely spherical. So, how about we take this and we make it go to be a little bit more torso shaped. Increase the radius. There we go. Smooth it out. There we are. Now we're looking a little bit more normal, like a person, the shape of a person's body. There we are. That's looking real good so far. Alright, I'm gonna bring that radius down. And I think we're gonna go ahead and start with some arms and legs. So we're going to go with the brush tool, turn negative off, because now we're going to do an additive process here. We're going to create him some shoulders. There we go. And from these shoulders, of course, will come the arms. We're going to want to inflate this a little bit, It needs a little bit of mass at least. There we are. Is that fixing it? No. Alright. Well, that's fine. That's alright. We're not going to worry too much about that. And, there we go. And we're just going to continue what we were doing. Giving him some nice arms. Push the edge of his corrupted vertices so that you've got a nice surface there for his arm to come out. See if I can increase the intensity there. Oh yeah. Now we're doing some progress. You can switch up the swirling motions, and it'll help give it a more authentic kind of look and feel to it. Alright, so we've got his bicep there. Now we're gonna want to make his forearm, and for that, of course, we're just going to increase this down this way. There we are. Looking good, looking good. Give him some arms. That's what we're doing here. This is step number 3. After flatten the sphere, give him some arms. And now we've got a really good looking start to our 3D character. This side's a little messed up, but that's alright. This is what we call the hero side. This is the side that faces the camera. Alright, now here we're going to give him some legs. That's going to be the next step. Same kind of process here with the legs. We're just going to, increase the length here of the leg tissue. We're going to expand it. Small circles, small circles. There we are. And it's starting to look pretty good, I'd say. And again here, when you start to see the creases, you're going to want to go in the opposite direction because you've twisted it a little too much. A little too much of a twist there. So here we go. We've got legs coming down. gonna do a little counterclockwise swirl. You're gonna wanna check them out. There we are. Wow. Alright, perfect. We got a couple legs here. Feet? No problem. Feet are probably the easiest thing to do. There we go. I'm gonna drag those feet into their proper orientation. There we are. What do you think about that? How are you feeling about what you've created so far? Are you creating this along with me? It's okay if you're just watching. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing here. So now I think there's something we're missing, obviously, quite clearly, and it's kind of distracting. We're gonna want to go ahead and make his belly button here. So we're going to go here. We're gonna make a crease right here, and a nice crease. We're gonna hollow that out so it goes all the way in. This is gonna be those extra little touches that when your audience is looking at your 3D character, they're gonna want to see that belly button. So that was step number 5, belly button. Step number 6 here, of course, is going to be the head. We're going to start with a large intensity, large radius. Make his neck a little bit there. And just kind of, mold out the bulk of his head. There we go. There we are, yeah. And now we've got kind of his head going on here. You see? We've got his legs, his body, his arms, and his head. Fill them out a little bit back here. There we are. And, these protuberances, sometimes they will happen, they happen sometimes. So I want to take the intensity down, just fill that out a little bit more. But yeah, those protuberances, it's normal. It's normal. There we go. And now this is the base of our 3D character, and it's done. Not the whole character, of course. I'm going to see if there's a good way that I can, hold on here. Just a little bit here. We're gonna try a radical technique, okay? I'm gonna do an inflation here. There we go. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I was kind of hoping was going to happen when I employed this tool. Because now we've got a much better surface here to start working on the face. Okay, inflate here. And fill in some of this lost mass from the accident that occurred before with the tool we were using. But no biggie, no biggie. Still looking pretty good. Still looking pretty good so far. I'd say this is a convincing character. Alright, now we're gonna go in a little bit closer and we're gonna work on the face a little bit. I'm gonna work on the face here. I'm gonna take this surface out here. There we go. Now negative, low intensity, and we're gonna give him some facial features. We're Or try to at least. Alright, take this down here. There we go. Give him some eyes. There we are. And his mouth. I think, I think his mouth is fine. There we go. There we go. He's got some teeth now for chewing right here. He's got some teeth. Now look at that. Would you look at that? What are we missing? Some fingers? We can get some fingers going here. I believe we can do that. Let's try. Let's do a drag. Can I? There we go. They're kind of webbed, but you get the idea. Beautiful, beautiful, simply wonderful. Well, if you've been following along with my steps, you will have a similar wonderful creature here, a beautiful creation, and I hope that this has helped you for whatever you're doing, your art project, your cartoon, your movie. This tutorial, you can come back to it, reference it as you need to, so that you can learn how to build a 3D character like this. It's a great looking character. What do you think? I think you did pretty dang good. Pretty good. You did good. Alright, well, so long.